Everyone, my name is Akorede Adenike. You are highly welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, consider subscribing and don't forget to turn on the notification bell for you to be notified each time I upload new video. If you are my old subscribers, I really appreciate you for coming back to my channel. Thank you so much. Tutorial today, I would like to teach you how to make circular ruffle. I'm going to make my draft first before cutting it on my fabric. I'm using scuba fabric for my tutorial today. If you like, you can use any fabric of your choice. It depends on what you want, but I prefer using scuba fabric for it to make it bogus very well. So I'm needing 8 inches for the length of my circles. If you like, you can make use of 10 inches, 6 inches, 12 inches, depends on how bogus you want it. So I'm making 8 inches now. To get my draft, I'm going to fold my paper into 2. I'll measure what I have here so it will be enough for me. So I'm dividing that 8 inches into 2 now. It will give me 4 inches. So I'm measuring 4 inches out now. So I'm going to fold it again into 2 like this. Just make sure I get that 4 inches in the 4 places. So I'm folding into 4 now. So I'm going to measure my 4 inches out from this edge. I'll measure it round. It will just be as if I'm making full circle. So I'm measuring 4 inches all round for my circle now, just for me to avoid wasting of fabric. That is why I'm drafting it first. And it's always advisable to make your draft before cutting on the fabric to avoid unnecessary stress and mistakes. So I'm connecting it round now. After connecting, I'll just cut it out. I'm done cutting it out. This is all I need for my circles now. I'll just use this one to cut it on the fabric. All the circles I need for this tutorial. So let me quickly cut it. I'll come and show you what next to do. I'm done cutting the circles with the fabric I have. So I have 16 circles after cutting it out. So I splitted that 16 circles into 4 groups, making 4 circles in each group. And I'm done with the first, second, third of the group, as you can see, to form my ruffle. Here is it. So I'm using the last group of the circles to explain to you guys. So I have 4 circles here now. So I'm going to take one out of it, folding into 2 like this, make it equal, and I'm going to fold it again into 2 to form a cone like this. So I'm tacking it here a little bit. I'm going to use my hand needle and thread for that because I prefer using my hand needle and thread to make it a little bit stronger than the one sewing on the machine. If you like, you can use your sewing machine to just stitch it a little bit at the tip here. So I'm doing the same thing on the second one. Fold into 2 like this. I'm going to fold it into 2 again to form a cone. After that, I'm going to tack here a little bit. The same thing to the remaining 2 of the circles. So when I finish doing that, I'll come and show you what's next. Now I'm done tacking all the circles, all the 4 circles to form cone, as you can see. So I'm going to show you how to put it together to form the ruffle we are talking about. Here's the first circle and the second circle. I'm going to place it on each other like this. Just let it align on each other like this. As you can see, the open edge of the first one face this side, while the open edge of the second one face my side here. So I'm placing it on each other. So I'm going to tack it together with my needle and thread, and needle and thread. Just watch me as I put it together to form my ruffle. I'll make sure I tack it very well. So the third one, I'm going to let the open edge like this face the other side that the first one face. So I'm going to tack it together. So I'm taking the fourth one now. I'm going to place it so the open edge of the fourth one will face my side now. Just alternate it so to make it form the ruffle very well. So I'm going to place it here. That's the fourth one. I'm tacking it together to form my ruffle. Now I'm done tacking all the 4 circles together. See the results. These are the remaining ruffles, as you can see. The first, second and third group of my circles. This is the last one. As you can see, it's very nice and beautiful. So you can use it to design the off shoulder of your top. As you can see, you just tack it around the off shoulder of the top or dress. You can use it as a rose on the front of your top or dress. You can use it as an off shoulder sleeve, but if you want to use it as an off shoulder sleeve, you need a base for it, like something like belt like this, because it can't stand on its own. Just make it rest on a base like this if you want to use it as an off shoulder sleeve. So I'm going to show you different ways of making it beautiful on your top or dress. So this is 3 out of the 4 groups. As you can see, it's very nice and beautiful. Here is another way of styling it. As you can see, it's very nice and beautiful. You can style it in many ways. Just be creative with whatever you are doing. My tutorial has been helpful to you guys. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel to support my channel. If you have any question pertaining to cutting and sewing, you can join me on my Facebook group, Details to Sewing, created by Akorede Adenike. I'm on Twitter and Instagram at Akorede Adenike. Show some love by liking and following my page on Facebook at Akorede Adenike Sewing Tutorial. Till I see you in my next video, guys. Stay safe, stay blessed. Bye bye.